Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Thursday, February 6, 2025. Ethereum developers schedule slots for the Pectra upgrade on Testnet, XMTP goes live on Testnet, and Alexei Pertsev is granted a conditional release. All this and more starts right now. Ethereum core developers have scheduled slots for the Pectra upgrade on the Sepolia and Holesky testnets. The activation will first occur on Holesky at slot 3,710,976, expected to occur on Monday, February 24th of 2025 at 21:55 UTC. Sepolia's activation will follow a week later on March 5th. The Ethereum mainnet activation date for Pectra will be decided on after the AC/DC call on March 6th. The upgrade, which consists of the Prog upgrade on the execution layer and the Electra upgrade on the consensus layer, marks Ethereum's largest upgrade to date by the number of EIPs included. Among the 11 scheduled EIPs, Pectra will introduce a 2x increase in the target and max blob count per block, along with the count abstraction EIP 7702. XMTP, an open protocol for secure end-to-end encrypted messaging, is now live on testnet. The protocol enables millisecond message delivery via an off-chain broadcast network with consensus maintained by an Arbitrum orbit chain that settles on Base. XMTP is also using USDC as the native gas token for all transactions on the network. Designed for secure, private, and censorship-resistant communication, XMTP supports a decentralized messaging ecosystem. Leading providers such as Coinbase Wallet, Circle, ENS, A16Z Crypto, Alchemy, Faction, and Mask are already leveraging XMTP. Node operators can contribute to the network by running an XMTP node. And lastly, Alexei Pertsev, a developer who helped write open source code for Tornado Cash, announced that he was released from pre-trial detention as he prepares to appeal his money laundering conviction. His release is subject to electronic monitoring by Dutch authorities. Pertsev already spent over a year in custody. In May 2024, Dutch judges sentenced Pertsev to 64 months in prison and initially denied his request for bail. In other news, the Ethereum Foundation will host an X Space with Layer 2 founders on February 7th, and Lido teases the upcoming launch of Lido v3. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.